Hi friends, welcome to Navida Vulgars. Today we will see IBPS RRB PO Clerk Mains based computer awareness questions. First question: Dash is the study of molecules and structure whose size range from 1 to 100 nanometers. From 1 to 100 nanometers. Study of molecules. Dash is the study of molecules. Which is the study of molecules? It's a nanoscience. Nanoscience is the study of molecules and structures whose range from 1 to 100 nanometers. Next question. Surgeons can perform delicate operations by manipulating devices through computers instead of manually. This technology is known as. Surgeons can perform delicate operations with devices. What is the technology? It's a robotic technology, robotics. All the following are examples real security and privacy risks except, here asking is except, remaining all the real security and privacy risks. What are this? It is spam. Hacker is a privacy risk, virus is a privacy risk, identity theft is privacy risk. If anybody hacks your system means that is hacking. If any software is malware, that is privacy risk. Identity theft, phishing is identity theft. So here except is spam. Next question. A process known as Dash is used by large retailers to study trends. A process known as Dash is used by large retailers to study trends. It's data mining. Data mining is a process to use large retailers to study trends. Now YouTube trending is there. Trends is data mining. In YouTube, trends is there. YouTube is data mining. Dash terminals are often connected to complex inventory and sales computer systems, formerly known as cache registers. In cache registers is CPU registers. What is that? It is point of sale. POS terminals is often connected to complex inventory and sales computer systems. Next question. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged files from a criminal computer is an example for law enforcement specialty called. The ability to recover, read, deleted or damaged files from criminal computer. It is computer forensics. Next question. Technology no longer protected by the copyright available to everyone is considered to be. Technology no longer to protected copyrights available to everyone considered, it is proprietary. Next question. A Dash system is small wireless handheld computer that scans the item tag and pulls up the current price as your shop. If you go to the shop, if you barcode will be there, it will scan the tag and enter the price. What is that? It is PSS. Next question. Dash tags, when placed on an animal, can be used to record and track in the database of all the animal movements. In wildlife sanctuary, there will place every cameras will be there, so it will capture all the animal movements. What is it? RFID, real field identification technology. Next question. Which of the following is not one of the four major data processing functions of a computer? Here asking is one of the not major data processing. False statement he is asking. 3 is true and 1 is false. Find out it. Gathering data is true and processing data into information is true, storing data or information is true, and analyzing data is false. There will be no analyzing data, no analyzing information is there. So here data processing is functions of computer is no chance to analyze the data. First question, under 11th question, dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. Dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. How many it is? It will be a gigabyte is approximately 1 billion bytes. 1 billion byte equal to 16 bits. Bit equal to 4 nibbles. 1 byte equal to 16. Okay. Here asking dash is approximately 1 billion bytes. Gigabyte is approximately known as 1 billion bytes. Next. Dash is approximately a million bytes. Here asking is million bytes. So 1 MB, 1 megabyte is approximately 1 million bytes. Next question. Dash is any part of computer that you can physically touch. Physically touch. It is physical touch is hardware. Hardware, only hardware we can physically touch. Peripheral means all the combined divisions. Application is purely software. Device means it doesn't mention any device. So any part of the computer is hardware. The components that process data are located in the dash. So processed data are located in system unit. All the data, stored data can be located in system unit. Next question. All the following are examples of input device except. Here is mentioned the input device. One is false statement. Find out. It is printer. Keyboard, we press a key, a letter, it will be goes to input. Mouse, a cursor, by clicking the right click and left click is input. By scanning the input. So 3 inputs are there, 1 output is there. So printer is output. Next question. Which of the following is an example of an input device? Here is asking example of input device. Example of input device. Scanner is input device because speaker is outside performing, CD is output display, printer is output paper, scan paper. So only scanner is input device. Next question. All of the following are examples of storage device except. Here is asking false statement. All of the following examples of storage device. One will be false statement. Printers. Except printers. Printers cannot be a storage device. Hard disk drive 1 TB 500 GB is hard disk drive. Floppy disk is a storage device, but present is not available. CD drives is storage device. Only printer is only scanning purpose. So B is correct answer. Next question. The dash, also called brains of the computer, is responsible for processing data. Here is asking brain of the computer. Brain of the computer is CPU. Next. CPU and memory are located in. CPU as well as memory are located on the motherboard. Next question. Last question of the day. Word processing, spreadsheet, photo editing are examples of. Word processing, spreadsheet, photo editing are examples of. It is application software. Those are all applications. System software and operating software is hardware related. Application software is software related. Platform software, assembler. So here is asking word processing, spreadsheet and photo editing are application software. Thank you friends. Tomorrow